All right, so I got a bunch of goodies in today, carbon fiber stuff for the Mustang. Well, supposedly this is supposed to be a carbon fiber for the center console for the Mustang, but it's kind of weird that it is wrapped in a package and bendable. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna open this up, and this other piece is for the Mustang too. This is gonna be really cool. I'm gonna show you guys when I open this one up and put it on. This is actually custom. As of right now, it's only one. This is actually gonna be one of a kind, and I'll drop a link to the guy that did it for me. He's on the S550 page on Facebook. Super cool dude. But let me open this real quick and let me show you what it looks like. Probably gonna be angry, so hold right on. Okay, so this is, I expected, I knew it wasn't like the full stick on the center console for the Mustang, and I get that, but dude, you couldn't send it in a straight package. Like, now I have to get this stuff all, like, set books on it to get it all straightened out in order to put it on. Kind of crappy, but honestly, this came from Japan this way, or China, or whatever. That's where it came from. I just thought they would have put it in a box. I mean, I understand carbon fiber, some of the stuff is bendable, but it's this is what it looks like. It's going to be good when I get it done. It seems like lately, some of the stuff I've been getting, the quality hasn't been the greatest. I'm gonna do a walk around on my Mustang. Only a few pieces that came in weren't that great. The rest of them are really pretty good, but some of them are hard to fit, and it's just kind of a pain. But it's not honestly gonna look that bad once I straighten it out. And I even ordered stuff from American Muscle. Same thing. I got some stuff from my Mustang. It wasn't carbon fiber though. It was some plastic stuff, and it was just jacked the hell up. Like, it wasn't even straight, and it's supposed to go on. They're basically supposed to be louvers, and they were so crooked. And I sent the one sent back in because they had marks all over it. And I understand. Listen, guys, I got a Corvette too, and Corvette guys are the worst on critiquing everything that they order. Like, it has to be perfect, no scratches. And I understand some things are going to have a little slight imperfections, but to be completely crooked and not fitting was just a little too much. And it was really a lot of the pieces that were saline, they were all scratched up. And I'll actually show you here when I get this done here. But I'm going to flatten this out. I'm going to do a walk around on my Mustang because I haven't done it. And I know I keep telling you guys I'm going to do it, but I'm actually going to do it. So give me a few minutes, and then I'll get this all done. But I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. Best Racing Channel on YouTube. I try to do a lot of different things with installing car parts and carbon fiber, the test fit. Like, a lot of my stuff I did on the Mustang, as you can see, a lot of my carbon fiber stuff on the Mustang is all... I done this clear back in 18 when they didn't have anything out, and so it's gonna... When I do the walk around, I'll show you guys outside, and it's a beautiful day out there, 70-some degrees, so... all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Be right back.